Brad Bisnette here with Cole Publishing, and I'm chatting with Jeff from HammerHead. How are you doing, Jeff?
Doing great. How are you doing, Brad?
I'm doing good. It's good to see you. I'm pretty excited because we're going to have a little chat about Blue Light from HammerHead.
Absolutely.
Which you and I have talked about before. We've had this conversation.
Yes.
But it's been a little while and it's not the same.
No, it's not. You know, one of the things that's been different about Blue Light with us is we're constantly evolving.
Okay.
And we're listening to voice of the customer, and they're talking to us and saying, hey, we need you to make these changes. So we've been listening, and we have a new system again.
Fantastic. Tell me what's new.
So one of the things that we've introduced recently is a third light head. You see our smaller light head over here. Yep. That's our 144 light head. That does 3 and 4 inch diameter pipes. Really allows an installer to have that ability to do much, much smaller diameters with us with our Blue Light system.
Fantastic. And you have the system here. Can we go take a look at it?
Yeah, let's walk around here and take a look at it.
Great, let's go.
Yep. We've changed our whole connector system. The first one is our power supply that comes into our unit is a square connector. It's a simple open it up. And the plugs only match up one way. It's easy to match them up. Slide it in, lock the 2 sides in place. We also have circle blue. There's a line that lines it up on the top. In the past, we had it where it didn't show you how to line it up. If I put it any other direction, it won't line up. I get it to that line, goes right in with the arrow, screw it in nice and tight. And the other black one on the side goes to our screen. Same concept with the arrow, black to black, match up the arrow, doesn't go any other way except the arrow side, screw it down in. System's now powering up. And then the cool thing is the interface. So as our new interface here, looks like a Tesla interface when you see on your dashboard. It's simple as smart technology. We changed the diameter to 4 inch. We change our mill thickness, and we can change our distance. We're gonna go 50 feet. Click OK, and now we know that the distance is 50. We'll cure in 23 minutes. We have a green light on power. Our propulsion unit's connected. Our light head's connected. We are good with power. Don't have enough air, so we got to get air pressure to it before it'll engage. Temperature of the light head currently, and how many feet per hour we're going to do based on our light head and time. The mill thickness and diameter, it tells me with this light head, our 336, it's going to cure in 23 minutes. I can put the bigger light head in, it will tell me it's going to drop in time. It's going to go faster. I put the very small, that 144 light head in, and obviously that time's going to go up. Not as many diodes, not as much light. That's also a part of that carbon footprint thing where sustainability being important, we're using less energy with a smaller light head, but we still can achieve the same objective, which is create a new piece of pipe. Awesome.
Jeff, I was blown away by Blue Light the first time we spoke about it, but now I'm even more impressed. Where can someone go for more information?
You can go right to hammerheadshop.com is our shop site, or you can go to HHTrenchless.com and you can learn everything about HammerHead itself.
Awesome. Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you.